Using HBO Max gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to enjoy your favorite shows and movies. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card and start streaming. Step 1. Visit the HBO Max website. Go to the official HBO Max website using your preferred web browser. Ensure you're on the correct site to avoid any phishing attempts. Step 2. Sign in or create an account. If you already have an HBO Max account, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the option to create one and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 3. Navigate to the redeem page. Once logged in, look for the option to redeem a gift card. This is usually found in the account settings or billing section of your profile. Step 4. Enter the gift card code. Carefully enter the code found on your gift card in the designated field. Make sure there are no typos, as this can prevent successful redemption. Step 5. Confirm and start streaming. After entering the code, confirm the redemption. Once processed, your account balance will be updated, and you can start enjoying HBO Max content. Now you are ready to enjoy all that HBO Max has to offer with your gift card. Happy streaming!